hang out.
Sair, passar tempo juntos.
Catch up.
Colocar o papo em dia.
Take your time.
Fique à vontade.
I hang out with my best friend every Saturday. We go to a cafe and talk. We catch up on everything, school, family, and fun stories. It is nice to talk and relax. My friend eats very slowly. I say, take your time. We don't need to hurry. We always have a great time together. Yesterday, I hung out with my best friend. We went to a cafe and talked. We caught up on everything, school, family, and fun stories. It was nice to talk and relax. My friend ate very slowly. I said, take your time. We didn't need to hurry. We had a great time together. Next weekend, I will hang out with my best friend. We will go to a cafe and talk for hours. We haven't seen each other in a long time, so we will catch up on everything. She will tell me about her new job, and I will tell her about my English classes. After that, we will take our time and walk around the park. We will enjoy the fresh air and relax. It will be a great day. If I had free time next weekend, I would hang out with my best friend. We would go to a cafe and talk for hours. We haven't seen each other in a long time, so we would catch up on everything. She would tell me about her new job, and I would tell her about my English classes. After that, we would take our time and walk around the park. We would enjoy the fresh air and relax. It would be a great day.
Like and subscribe to the channel.